Welcome to another edition of Kendrick's News, Views, and Reviews, and this is a LG Stylo13 megapixel camera demonstration, basically of 13 megapixels in the rain. This is a heavy rain storm. You get a thunder. I just wanted you guys to see how detailed this camera is in the rain. As you can see, the raindrops, and most importantly, the audio. As you can hear everything from my voice to every single drop is coming out of the sky. Let's get a zoom here on some of this water. As you can see, every detail. That's pretty darn good. But I just want to give you guys an example of the 13 megapixel rear camera in rainy conditions. Like this video, leave your comments, and subscribe. Later.